Are rural courtyards this impressive now? It's much better than living in an apartment in the city. Look how big this courtyard is. Elevator. There's power on the right. No power on the right. That's right. This kind of malfunction. No need to check anything else. Just contact the power supply company. Where is the power distribution box? It's a bit past 11 now. Just called that WeChat guy. The electrician is on the way. Just this one issue. Is a tool needed? Look, the main control switch has a red line that is burnt out. Most of these situations are caused by poor connections. Customers report that sometimes the power goes out. Sometimes it has no power. This is also due to poor connections. Could it be an overload? Not necessarily. If it were an overload, the main control switch should have tripped. The person is here. Right. It's either poor connections or overload. It's definitely poor connections. There's no overload. Because when it has no power, it still has no power. When they returned, it had no power. When they came back, it was still without power. In the case when no one is home. There can be power outages for no reason. This can only be attributed to poor connections. If it can't connect, it will cause arcing, leading to overheating. This will burn it out. This wire burned out and loosened due to charging. This can't be replaced. Can't it be changed to a different copper piece? This protector that just came is also problematic. This one seems quite problematic too. This pressure protector should also be problematic. Let's replace it. Let's change it out. Put this one in. Actually, these kinds of malfunctions are encountered many times each year. When fixing screws, they may not be tightened properly, or may not be pressed against the wire at all. This will cause such situations. The entrance of the pressure protector is already burnt out. They were in a hurry to leave and only brought a switch. No undervoltage protector. They asked the customer to go buy a simple switch like this. The undervoltage protector is a cost borne by the customer. How much do you charge? Remeasure the voltage. The live wire voltage is 230 volts. And the neutral wire voltage is normal. Measure all the leakage protectors too. They are reversed. Look at these EP and in leakage protectors. The left is the neutral wire. The right is the live wire. With these leakage protectors, make sure not to connect the wires incorrectly. If the wires are connected incorrectly, it will cause both wires to be live during a power outage. This poses a safety hazard, because these leakage protectors disconnect the live wire, not the neutral. 0. At the top of the undervoltage protector. That is, at the output. Connect the two wires properly. Then reset and restore power. Then measure the voltage again. Now this wire on the right is live. Voltage is normal. Neutral wire voltage is also normal. Therefore, when connecting these leakage protectors, be sure to check the markings above. Connect the wires according to the markings. A small job earns 200. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please provide more feedback.